Algebra 1, Q8, evaluate a function by plugging in an expression. We're going to do some distributive property right here. 5-minute timer has been started. We're finding h of n minus 2. So let me just write it out here. H of v equals 6v plus 4. So if we're doing h of n minus 2, you're plugging in n minus 2 for v, and you're adding 4. Distributive property, like that. 6 times m is 6m. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. And then you add 4. 6m minus 12 plus 4. You combine it and you get negative 8. Final answer, 6m minus 8. This might take you a little bit to understand. So, all right, we'll practice this. H of 2j. So we know h of c is c minus 10. H of 2j, then you're plugging in 2j for c. So 2j minus 10. You can't simplify this any further. No like terms anywhere. So there you go. Right, let me erase that. All right, f of negative 4q. Whoops. Let me erase that for a second. All right, we're starting with f of p equals 5p. F of negative 4q, then you plug in p. So 5 times negative 4q. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. So negative 20q. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, next. D minus 9. The rule is h of k equals negative k. So now we're doing h of d minus 9. Plug in d minus 9 for k. It has to be in parentheses, so be careful. And now you use the distributive property again to distribute a negative. The opposite of d is negative d. The opposite of opposite 9, or negative 9, is positive 9. So you get negative d plus 9. Please see me in office hours. If any of this is giving you trouble, it might be new for some of you. For some of you, it's review. All right, f of w minus 7. So f of m equals 3m plus 8. So if we're going to do w minus 7, we replace m with w minus 7, like so. Now we do the distributive property. 3w minus 21 plus 8. Simplify 3w minus 13. This will also help you with negative numbers, getting used to it. Make sure you write w. If you write m, you'll get it wrong. I'm at 43. Yeah, this might take a little more time, but this is really important. This is an important skill. So h of x equals negative x. H of z plus 2. Negative. I'm going to put a little slash for the z. Z plus 2. Opposite of z is opposite z. Opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. So negative z plus 2. Oops, minus 2. Next problem, g of 10b. So we're going to do g of k is k minus 1. So g of 10b, you substitute 10b for k. So you get 10b minus 1. Can't simplify it any further than that. Oh yeah, now we're getting into a hard question, but just because of the negatives. G of negative 10k minus 8, so I'm going to substitute that for p. Plus 9. All right, negative 5, sorry. Negative 5 times negative 10k is 50k. Negative 5 times negative 8 is positive 40. and then plus 9. So 50k plus 49. I'm going to check that mentally. And yeah. All right, that was 5 minutes. Let me just check to see if I got this one right. And then we'll be done with this video. Hopefully this gets you to a start. Hopefully it gets you to 60 at least, and then you can go further once we start squaring. But you'll have to see me in office hours, and I can explain this, or I can make an advanced video for this kind of question. Just let me know.